Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how you can install the CapnoTrainer software on your computer, specifically on your Mac OS computers. So you can open a browser. I'm using Safari. So while I open Safari, I can go to betterphysiology.com by typing betterphysiology.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once I am on Better Physiology website page, so you can click on the top menu. There is software, and you can click on Go Downloads. Once you click on Go Downloads, it shows you here the instructions if depending on what kind of user you are. So you can choose to follow these instructions, and if you don't have an account, you follow instructions 1 to 11. If you already have an account and if you're just downloading it on another computer in your office or in your home, you can just follow instructions 1 to 4. So once you're on this, once you've clicked on software and go download, and you're on this page. For Mac OS, you'll click on this icon, and for Windows, you'll click on this icon. So currently I am on Mac computer, so I click on download for Mac, and once I click on it, it will start downloading a file here. It's important to understand that if for example, for any reason your ad block, if you have an ad blocker or pop-up blocker, and if this doesn't show up, you make sure that here in the address bar you disable the pop-up blocker or the ad blocker. I think pop-up blocker is fine. I don't think ad blocker will block this. Once you have this file downloaded, which it will be done in like 21 minutes, so we'll wait for it. Once it completely downloads this file, which says CapnoTrainer and then the version number and then .dmg file, you can double click on it and open it. Once you open it, I will minimize this Safari window so you can see it. You'll see this option when you click on it. You'll see the same option when, for example, you'll have an icon on your desktop which looks like CapnoTrainer 218. 218 is the version of the current CapnoTrainer software. It may be possible that when you downloaded it may be a different version number. So the way you install it in your computer is basically just hold this down and then drag it to applications folder, and when you do this, it will basically copy this CapnoTrainer software into your application folder. You can see here it's copying it. Once it has completed copying it, you can close this small window, and on your desktop where you see this CapnoTrainer 218, it's not actually it's not the software, so you can right click on it and click on eject CapnoTrainer, and it will automatically go into the bin folder. Now your software is basically installed in your application folder. There are a few ways you can open the software. I'll show you all two to three different ways. The first and the very simple way is that you click on the Finder, and then on the right side you click on Applications, and you'll find the software here by double clicking on it, or you can open it. That's one way. Another way is that you open this Launchpad, and under Launchpad you can find CapnoTrainer software, and you click on this icon, it will open the CapnoTrainer software. The third way is basically if you press command spacebar, it will open the Spotlight search here. You can type CapnoTrainer, and you can see that it is installed in your application folder, and you can click on it. You can choose any way to open the CapnoTrainer software. I'll just click on use the Spotlight search to open it. It's important to know that the first time you will install the software in your computer, it will verify it. The Mac OS will verify it, but we notarize all the releases of CapnoTrainer software by Apple. So it's a completely safe software and completely signed by the Apple. Okay. It gives you this warning, but you can choose to ignore it and click on open. And this is so your CapnoTrainer software is now installed on your computer, and you can sign in by clicking on enter your email address and password and clicking on remember, and then clicking on sign in. In the next video, we'll go on and see how to create an account and other things with the CapnoTrainer software. Thank you.